Today we're at 761 Eagle in Incline Village, beautiful Lake Tahoe, Nevada. And I've got a great house to show you today. This house was built in 1978. It's listed for $2,229,000. It's 2,575 square feet. If you can guess the taxes, I'll give you a free pen. So what are the taxes? Taxes are $6,880. If you guess that, let me know and I'll send you a free Tahoe Tony pen. By the way, I'm Tahoe Tony. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe below. Click on the notification bell and you'll be the first one notified when I put out a new video of Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada real estate market. And today we're going to check out this really lovely house. Got some great stuff going on in there. Another cute thing about this house was built by a friend of mine, and it's got this nice outdoor chair right before you go in the house. So this is off of West Heelan, so good stuff. One of the things I like about this house is it's 2,575 square feet. So you have a good sized entryway here with windows on both sides. I love the light. So the window coming in, you've got a slate floor. So if somebody's coming in the wintertime, a little bit of snow on their feet, you'll have to ruin your floor. It's a great touch I like here. Coming out of the entry, we've got a really nice living room. We've got a good amount of windows. These are all south facing, so you can have light in your house almost all day long, which is fantastic. We've got a beautiful River Rock fireplace. I mean, River Rock's been in for decades, right? Never goes out of style. Beautiful, the woodwork mantle. We've got a giant TV on the back wall behind Cedar, my videographer. And what I love, it got baseboard heat. So it's very quiet, very efficient heating. It's not like you have a big forced air blowing dust around all the time. So excellent living room. We're gonna go check out the kitchen now, which is just up a few stairs. So as we come up the 6 stairs from the living room and entryway, we come into this big kitchen. And we've got this massive dining room table over there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 10 massive chairs on the dining room table. Big island in the kitchen. Green, my favorite color. It's great. And then the kitchen's laid out very well. I like that as well. But before I get into the layout of the kitchen, I want to show you there's a nice patio door out here. It goes to a nice big deck. So if you want to do barbecues going on, you've got, again, it's south facing, so it's going to be sunny in the afternoon. It's beautiful. I know you think it's sunny in the afternoon, we don't want that, but Tahoe, it's sunny in the afternoon. It's great because it's rarely hot here. So beautiful frat in the kitchen. We've got a sink here. We've got double ovens here. We've got another sink here. We've got the cooktop here. It's gas cooktop. It's got one of these back vents, so it pops up and vents for you, so you don't have anything in the way. So if you're here with a bunch of friends, you don't have a big hood in the way. I like that. A nice KitchenAid. You know, my refrigerator broke down at home, and it's a Samsung, and trying to find a Samsung dealer was very difficult. And I asked the guy coming out to fix it, I go, what one do you have? And he said, I have a KitchenAid. And he goes, they last the longest, they're the easiest to work on, and the least expensive to repair when they do break. So next refrigerator is going to be a KitchenAid. So not having a refrigerator is not easy. I'm sure you know that, but it made me think of that when I saw the KitchenAid. So very lovely kitchen. I could see entertaining a lot of people in here and doing really well. So next we're going to go up to the master bedroom, which is just off the kitchen. So the master bedroom is just off the kitchen on this right wing of the house. And you don't have any other bedrooms around you, which some people really appreciate the privacy of not having to share a bedroom wall with somebody. And they've got a massive walk-in, almost big enough to do cartwheels closet in here with the built-in to keep everything organized. Well, I should say, I have built-ins. I don't keep it organized. I should. I have the ability to keep it organized. Let's put it that way. So you have the ability to keep everything organized in here, and really good sized closet for this. Nice big room. You can as big a bed as you want. You could do multiple beds if you've got dogs or whatever. But anyway, plenty of room in here for everything. There's a hot tub right out on the deck out there. It's just, what a fabulous master bedroom. And then we have a really nice bedroom. It's really a bathroom. We were in the bedroom, now we're in the bathroom. But this massive shower in here with multiple beds, a little bench to sit on. It's just very well done, dual sinks. And the window out here for some extra light. First class on this, I love it. So the house in this price range, I think they've done a really great job of pricing this house, a great deal. So coming out the living room, we have 2 more bedrooms and 1 bathroom. So the bathroom not only services the 2 bedrooms, but also serves as a half bath to service if you're entertaining out here. So very nicely designed. The bedrooms are really good size. We've got really nice closets in the bedrooms. We've got this bedroom over here. It's got south-facing window that looks out towards the lake, and it's going to allow a lot of natural light to come into the bedroom. And this house is on a vacation rental program, and the seller gets up to $1,200 a night in the high season. And because you have 4 bedrooms, that's very helpful. And again, so these 2 bedrooms are separate from the master bedroom, which is over there. So you allow a lot of privacy in the master bedroom. And we've got 2 bedrooms here. And then we've got another bedroom downstairs that I want to show you as well, because it's even more private. So nice design. We've got the master bedroom that's 6 stairs up. We've got 2 more bedrooms and a bath on this floor, then a whole nother bedroom on the downstairs floor. So coming off the main bedroom floor area, we come downstairs and we've got a whole nother bedroom, the bathroom, and the laundry room down here with the garage. So coming over here, we've got a nice bedroom, really good size. Did a window for egress, mirrored closet, big armoire with TV in there. Perfect. This would make a good best guest bedroom because it's away from the rest of the house. And then over here, we've got your laundry, very convenient. And then we've got a full bath in here with a tub and shower. It's actually a jetted tub and shower. So nicely done. If you have guests staying down here, they should be very comfortable. So now we'll check out the garage because it's just as big as this house. It's actually bigger than this house. So come check this out. Really big garage. Full flat tire here. We've got racks for your stand-up paddleboard, maybe a kayak in there, ping pong for beer pong, whatever. More racks over here, table, and then your first everything is right here. So you could set that up, really easy access. And you know, I like that. I talk about that in my video as well. The equipment is easy to service because I'm usually the one people call. We need to get somebody in the house. I'm like, it's under the house. It's hard. So having that and an easy place to service and see if something goes wrong is really great. So I've got one more surprise on the outside of the house I'll show you, and then we'll close it out. So the surprise outside, we do have a nice fenced dog yard here. So you can come in and check it out. So this would be nice because it's covered over there. It's covered over here. So the dog should be secure. And then we have this under storage area of the house. So we have this under storage area of the house, which if you want to spend some money, excavate this out a little bit, not too much. It's pretty close. I mean, the ceilings are pretty high. You probably have to excavate out over there a little bit, but you could probably add another 500 square feet to your house or make this a separate entrance or something like that. I don't know exactly what they would allow you to do, but I just want to let you know there's an opportunity here to add on to this house as well. Or just use it to store all of your stuff, all of your winter stuff in the summertime, your summer stuff in the wintertime. Lots of possibilities here. So some of the nice amenities out here, we've got beautiful 2-car garage, very large 2-car garage with a lot of room in the middle here. You see this post, which sometimes could be a magnet, but there's so much room in between the doors. I don't think that could be a problem. Got a nice slope to the driveway. So the snow, you clear the snow off, a little bit of water should run off, and you're gonna all be good. It's mostly south facing, so you're gonna get a lot of sunshine on this driveway. And the yard and everything is low maintenance right now, but it's nice and terraced. So if you wanted to put in a nice grassy area, you've got a lot of room for that. So overall, another great house in Incline Village, Lake Tahoe, Nevada. If you're interested in this house or any other house in Incline Village or Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email, and my team and I'll make sure this will be the best move you've ever had.